A microscope is a tool that can help you see tiny objects and single-celled organisms. It makes them look bigger. Its ability to make the specimen bigger is called magnifying power or magnification. The microscope also has the capacity to distinguish small gaps between two separate points which humans cannot distinguish. It is called its resolving power or resolution. In the picture is the compound light microscope. It comes with two sets of lenses which causes it to achieve a higher level of magnification. It uses diffuse light from the sun or artificial light to illuminate the object to be observed through the glass lenses. The parts of the compound microscope and its corresponding functions are as follows. The eyepiece or ocular. This is the lens at the top of the microscope that you look through. On its rim, there are certain markings such as 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, which indicates the magnification power. The body tube. It is a hollow tubular structure that connects the eyepiece to the objective lens. It can be shifted down and up using the adjustment knobs. Arm. The part that supports the body tube and connects it to the base of the microscope. The base. The base is the bottom of the microscope, which is used for support. It also houses the illuminator or mirror. The stage. The flat platform where slides are placed. Stage clips. Hold the slides in place. Mirror. It is used to reflect light from an external light source up to the diaphragm, object to be observed, and lenses. Positioning the microscope towards diffused light from the windows and ceiling, one can see through the eyepiece a bright circle of light called the field of view. Revolving nosepiece. Carries the objective lenses and can be rotated to easily change power or magnification. Then the fine adjustment knob. The small knob used for focusing finer details of the specimen being viewed. Coarse adjustment thumb. The large knob located on the arm of the microscope used for moving the body tube down and up for bringing the object to be examined under exact focus. Objective. A component that magnifies the images of the specimen to form an enlarged image. There are 3 objective lenses, namely, oil immersion objective, used to view bacteria, very small protists, and fungi. It is marked 97 times or 100 times for the word oil. High power objective is marked 40 times, 43 times, or 60 times. Low power objective is marked 10 times or 12 times. Inclination joint, a joint where the arm is fastened to the base. It is used to tilt the microscope for more comfortable viewing. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is fastened below the stage. It regulates the amount of light passing through the specimen. Proper care should be given to each part and the microscope as a whole. Remember to always carry the microscope with both hands. One is holding the arm and the other is holding the base. Place it 17 meters away from the edge of the table with the arm facing you. Always hold it in an upright position. Before using the microscope, wipe the metal parts with tissue paper or a piece of cloth and wipe the lenses of the eyepiece and objectives with a lens paper.